Start. So far as the present health condition of the accused person is concerned, from the documents supplied on behalf of the accused person, it is definitely evident that his health is in condition than what he was in at the time of obtaining the interim bail, of course, with advice of the doctors to keep away from physical and mental stress, full stop, but only that should not save him from the rigors of incarceration which he was supposed to be in had the illness of that not there at the time of getting magnitude been not person the interim bail, full stop. There is nothing in the medical documents to assume that the accused is not fit enough to move, think, or talk properly, as was urged by the learned advocate for the accused person, full stop. In the contrary, it is found that the accused person is suffering from cirrhosis of liver since before this case was initiated, and there had been ups and downs in his health condition, full stop. For that this court cannot let the truth submerge in the plea of his chronic ailments, para. Coming to the medical reports submitted today, it is found that today at 12:10 am he shifted himself to Apollo Hospital, where he was examined and was readily admitted in some medically unspecified ward under treatment of a specialist pulmonologist, full stop. Notable that the document produced show that the emergency admission advice form has been struck down by hand, making it a direct admission advice form, and the bed number there is also illegible due to repeated overwriting, full stop. The admission form submitted shows that expected length to stay of the patient at the hospital is nil, full stop. Even if it is accepted that the accused person is admitted in hospital for a suspected pulmonary tract infection, that does not take away the adverse inferences already drawn by this court here and above, full stop. For the sake of precise investigation, coercive participation of the accused person by way of judicial detention now appears to be imminent and indispensable, para. The submission of the learned counsel appearing for the accused is that in the exercise of powers under section 272 of CRPC, the state government has declared Hindi as the only language of the criminal courts in the state, full stop. Their submission is that the language Hindi is for the purposes of the code, and therefore charge sheets filed under section 173 of CRPC ought to be filed in the language of the court, full stop. Therefore, both the accused supported the view taken by the High Court, full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the accused also submitted that in a given case, if the accused is not conversant with the language in which the charge sheet has been filed, he will not be able to defend himself properly, as he will not be in a position to understand the statements recorded by the police and other documents collected during investigation. Para. There are two provisions in CRPC which deal with the effect of error, omission, or irregularity in the proceedings of the trial of a criminal case. Full stop. The first is section 464, which deals with the effect of omission to frame or absence of or error in charge. Stop.